Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix all remote desktop connection issues in Windows 11, step by step. If you've been struggling with remote desktop not working, this guide will help you resolve the problem. Let's get started. Step 1. So for the first step, you're going to head over to the search bar and type in sysdm.cpl. Hit Enter. Once you're on this screen, click on the Remote tab and make sure to check both of these options. Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop with network-level authentication. After that, click on Apply. Next, click on Select Users. Here, you'll see a list of user accounts that have access. If you want to add more accounts, click on Add. Now type in the user account name. For this tutorial, I'm going to type in Everyone, just to keep it simple, but you should add the specific account you want access for. After typing the name, click on Check Names, then click on OK. It should now be added to the list. In my case, I'm going to delete this, but you can keep the account you added, then click OK and OK again. Step 2. For the second step, go back to the search bar and type in Command. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once you have the command prompt open, type in ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This will clear the DNS cache. Now type in netchesh winsock reset and hit Enter again. This will reset the Windows socket settings. After that, restart your computer, and your remote desktop connection should be working again. That's it. Those are the steps to fix your remote desktop connection issues in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.